getting in position. You want to keep your feet like this. Put it about, well, get your front foot and cut it with your hand. And yeah, cut it with your hand. And half of it should be off, just like in the kickflip video. So once half of it's off, go like this. And the other one should be like a, sort of a kickflip position, like that. And once you're done that, you gotta ride, kickflip, nollie, like that. Okay? So remember, here we go. A little more than like a kickflip position, and put it on your nose, halfway on, halfway off, and then spin. It's all on your front foot. Your front foot does all the work. No, your back foot does all the work. Your back foot is pushing the board forward, but your front foot is pushing it down. So it's all riding on your back foot. You gotta push it around. Because I see a lot of people going like this. That's not how you do it. You're not relying on your back foot. Your back foot pushes it around. Your front foot's just pushing it down. So, yeah, that's it. So I'll show you in full motion.